Hello guys, welcome back to another apartment update vlog. This vlog is going to be loaded with updates and I am so excited because today we are finally getting closets and I cannot wait to show y'all the before and after. I've been waiting for closets, I feel like you guys have been waiting for closets, and this is such an exciting day. If you're new to my channel, just moved to a condo in Williamsburg, Brooklyn. I'm bringing you guys along for the whole process. This apartment came with closets, but they were just empty spaces. And so we have been living for about a month and a half with clothes on the floor, whether they're clean, whether they're dirty. It has been so hard to give you guys proper updates on the apartment when there's just like clothes everywhere. I can't like put them in drawers and like hang them up and like things like that. I did buy a Facebook Marketplace clothing rack for the meantime, but I am just so excited to have my own closet, my own space, somewhere that I can hang up my clean clothes, somewhere I can put away my like shorts and pajamas and things like that. I'm also going to bring you guys a lot of other updates in this vlog. I have been like waiting for this vlog, so I hope you guys are as excited as I am. I got a laser facial on Wednesday, so my face is like in the healing process, so it might look a little bit crazy today, but we are rolling with it. But the closet installation people should be here in about like 30 minutes, so I wanted to show you guys the spaces. I just moved all of the clothes that have like been in there. I just kind of like have my shoes stacked like in the boxes in one of the closets. So I pulled all that out. And then in our larger primary bedroom, we have another like shared closet that we're gonna share, me and my fiance. And so I just like pulled all like the clean folded clothes from there. So it's looking a bit crazy in the primary bedroom, and it's okay because tonight I think we're just gonna like organize and put things in our closet, which is like so crazy to be excited about that. I don't know, it's just crazy to like live without closets. Like here is another closet in our primary bedroom, and it didn't even come with like any like racks or anything, like literally nothing. You can't hang anything here. So we have been living through this for the past month and a half, and today is the day. I rolled the clothing rack in here. It was like just in the restroom right here. Sorry if I'm making you guys dizzy, but and I like looked over and I thought it was a man and it like scared me for a second. I was like, oh, that's just my blazer. I don't know, it just like appeared to be like a person for a second, and I was like, whoa, because I just forgot that I put the clothing rack there. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the before and then I'm gonna cut in the after, because I think it's gonna take them like all day to install the closets. We worked really closely with the company to make sure that these closets were efficient for us and the way that we live. So there's gonna be like the valet rods for like the night before. So you have work the next morning, you can like pull it out and like put your clothes that you're gonna wear for the next day like on the valet rod. We were very strategic on like how many drawers that we both wanted, things like that. So we worked really closely with the company to make sure that these closets were going to be as efficient and workable for us as possible. So I'm gonna show you guys the closets now. We're gonna start in the primary bedroom. I'll start with the large, I'll go to the smaller, and then I will end with the second bedroom closet. And then I'm gonna cut in the after, and I cannot believe today is the day. Like, we put the deposit down like 6 weeks ago, maybe, so we've been waiting for a while. Okay, here is the before in the primary bed. So it's pretty large, you can walk in. I just vacuumed all of the spaces. This is kind of what the primary is gonna look like. I wish I could show you guys a better after, but I think that they measured a little bit wrong, so they couldn't finish this side of the closet. They said that they're gonna come back on Tuesday. And then they also brought the wrong hardware that's supposed to be black to match the black rods, but it's no big deal. They're gonna be back. So this is like kind of the after, everything that's on this side. So we're doing like a his and hers. So this little setup is gonna be the same like right here, I believe. and then there's gonna be some drawers. And then next we have the second smaller closet in our primary, very tall. And this is going to be more of a shoe closet, and there's gonna be some spaces for my dresses. They did an amazing job. I am obsessed with the wood panels that I chose. I think it's actually perfect, and then the black hardware matches all of like the black hardware that's throughout our home. And I love this because it's like a texture. Ooh, is that supposed to slide out like that? I don't think so. Okay, maybe they forgot something there. Guys, I'm seeing this for the first time just like y'all are, like touching and feeling it before I like start putting things up. Okay, that's all secure. So maybe they just need to like secure the bottom ones. Kind of looks like a wallpaper, and that's just so my vibe. And going into the second bedroom, this one is really nice. It has double doors. And this is going to be primarily for guests. So it's gonna have a little bit of everything. You're gonna have your shoe racks, some hanging space, some drawers. This looks stunning. Let's just make sure that, oh, interesting. Maybe they're supposed to slide. I don't really know, but I'll have to ask them. Okay, but the drawers look really, really nice. And I feel like the depth is good. This is gonna fit a lot of things. So when we have guests over, they'll be able to like hang up their clothes, maybe put some shoes in there. And I cannot wait to organize this room because guys, if I showed you the back of this video, like me filming and like the other side of this room, it's so messy because we've just had clothes everywhere. Like I'm so excited to like put our Christmas stuff up there, luggages, like just random stuff that needs to just get off the floor. And I'm literally going to start organizing right now. Can't believe the day has finally come. Oh my gosh, like we've waited so long for this and I'm so excited. I'm literally gonna like hang some stuff right now. But also this hardware is supposed to be black too, so when they come back on Tuesday, they're gonna change it out. I'm done with work for the day. I worked from home. It's the weekend. I think we're gonna stay in, order some food, or we might cook because I think we have like a ton of groceries actually. So we might cook and just like organize our closets and finally get the second bedroom like a little bit cleaned up. And I have so many more updates to give you guys. We ordered the custom couch, which if you don't know what I'm talking about, go to the past vlog and catch up. But basically I got to pick a fabric and design like a couch that is going to take like I think 6 to 8 weeks to come. So very excited about that, and that's actually gonna go in this room. Sorry, I keep playing with my hair, but I feel like it's looking very stringy over here. Weird. Probably because I just took it out of a hair clip, but like every time I try and leave it, something is weird. But anyways, yes, so we ordered the couch, and then we had a bunch of people come this week. We had more painters to give us more quotes, and then we had someone from, not TaskRabbit, but like one of those apps. He is going to build a really cool custom build out for us, like when you walk in, and I think I gave y'all the breakdown in the last vlog. So go catch up if you have no idea what's going on in this vlog. But so many exciting things to come, and I'm gonna pick the vlog back up and keep giving y'all updates, but I'm gonna start organizing because I'm like way too excited for this. Like I feel like it's like one of those like grown-up purchases that you're just like so stoked about. So that's what I'm gonna do for like the rest of the day, and then I'll give you guys more updates tomorrow. Hello guys, it's the next day, and I just like put up a bunch of my clothes in the second bedroom because, as I showed y'all yesterday, the primary bedroom closets are not done because they forgot a few pieces. But I just want to like get things off the floor, so that way on Tuesday when they finish the primary closets, I can just like transport it to the other closets. And I feel like there's so many boxes in here that I'm just kind of like going through. I'm hanging up like some winter stuff, and then also like to the side I put a lot of my summer stuff, like this little section here, so I can just like fold it up and then replace it and put it in a box, and then hopefully just like stick it up here, which I'm so excited to like have space to just like store. I'm gonna put like our Christmas stuff up there and like some like winter coats, because I feel like we're not there just yet, but I'll definitely need it handy because it's gonna get cold pretty quickly. And then I wanted to show you guys another update in the living room. We got our dining table delivered, which is so pretty. It's this gorgeous marble stone, and I love the legs. I think it's so cool and unique. If you saw in the last vlog, we had the Wayfair couches like all back here. We're returning those, and then we're planning on doing like a custom little banquette build out, so I get to pick the fabric, and I think we're just gonna go with the same wood that is in our kitchen, but I'm so excited. I love this table. I think it's so pretty. That is the furniture update that we got this week, which I'm so excited to finally have a table, and now we can just focus on the build out, and we are just continuing. And I think tomorrow I might go to the paint store and start selecting some colors. So we've had some painters come in and we're just waiting for quotes from them, but I do want to like go look at paint colors and just like ideally get a sense of what color would look good in the living room, in our bedroom, and the second bedroom, and kind of just like keep things moving there. I feel like things are coming along, and I think we're gonna go out and I don't know, just do what we need to do. I did get a really cool like hotel style towel holder from Pottery Barn, and I just don't think that it's gonna work in our bathroom because I think you have to do it through like the marble or something in the shower, like in the actual shower, and personally I don't want to do that. I just wanted to attach something. Actually, let's go in the bathroom and I'll show y'all, but I don't want to put anything like on the stone of the shower, if that makes sense. I just want to put something like on the wall here that can hold all of the towels. And I just got these towels from Amazon. I think they're really cute. The matching hand towels, and then we got these from Pottery Barn. I showed y'all that I got some from Amazon, and the quality honestly wasn't good, but these are from Pottery Barn and they're really nice and sturdy. Like, they're kind of heavy. And then I have our Loewe soap. So bathroom is coming along. I still need to replace the bath rugs in here because I'm just not loving either one of them. I just still have them on the floor because like, why not? But I feel like everything else is good in the second bathroom. So we just need a towel like display holder for these guys, and then some matching bath mats. And really this room will be done, which is so crazy. Like, to have a room done is wild to me. Like, it doesn't seem possible. So there's the bathroom update. And then in our primary bedroom, we don't really have any big updates. Still have the mirror there. Maybe we'll move it into the secondary bedroom, but I did find this when I was going through boxes from Nordic Knots. I forgot that I had some samples. I'm testing it out and seeing if I like it. But we definitely need a rug in this room. And this rug we got for the second bed we got it from HomeSense for $150. So crazy. And it's literally just this ivory like textured rug. It's like super simple, but if you guys know, we bought a really fun couch that's gonna be delivered in a little bit. The rug is gonna be like the neutral, just to bring it all down, tone it all down together. So it's gonna look so good. I feel like our living room is looking so good. I'm obsessed. I have the windows open because it's finally fall outside and it feels so good. But this is what our living room looks like right now without like the banquette, without the TV on the wall, so kind of a living room update, but I'm still loving like all of the pieces that we've gotten from Create Comfort, as well as our new dining table that we also got from there. So those are all the updates for this week. I'm gonna show you guys the primary closet in the next vlog, because as soon as that's done, I am going to just put all of my stuff in the primary and like get it organized, and I just cannot wait. And then I'm also traveling for work this coming week, so it's gonna be a little bit crazy, but I will give y'all an update definitely in next week's vlog. I know that this has been like a long awaited vlog for the closet updates, but can finally show you guys, and this is such an exciting vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye guys.